Hey everyone, welcome back. If WhatsApp isn't backing up to iCloud on your iPhone, don't worry because I have got you covered with some pretty handy fixes. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, I will recommend you to ensure that iCloud backup is enabled for WhatsApp on your iOS device. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone, and then you have to tap on the Apple ID banner at the top, and then you have to choose iCloud, and then you have to tap on the See All option. After that, you have to scroll down to find WhatsApp and make sure that its toggle is active. Note that without this, the backup won't work, so keep this important thing in your mind. Next, I will recommend you to check your iCloud storage. If you are running low on space, WhatsApp won't be able to back up. To do so, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone, and then you have to tap on the Apple ID banner at the top. And then you have to choose iCloud and check the available storage. If it is full, make sure to delete unnecessary backups or upgrade your iCloud plan. Another fix is signing out and back into iCloud. So go for it without fail at all. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone, and then you have to tap on the Apple ID banner at the top. After that, you have to tap on Sign Out and confirm it. This can let you refresh iCloud connections and fix the backup issues. Then I will recommend you to check your internet connection. Note that WhatsApp backups require a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection, so go to the Settings app and tap on Wi-Fi. And then you can try to turn it off and turn it back on to check whether or not it comes back on track. If it continues to struggle, I will recommend you to switch to a stronger network if needed. It's worth pointing out that if you're using cellular data, ensure that WhatsApp is allowed to back up over the mobile data on your device. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone, and then you have to tap on cellular data. After that, you have to scroll down to find WhatsApp and ensure that its toggle is active. If backups are stuck, make sure to cancel the current backup and try again. To do so, open WhatsApp, and then you have to head over to its settings. After that, you have to choose the Chats option. Then you have to tap on Chat Backup, and then you have to tap on Backup Now option. If it is stuck, you have to restart your iPhone and try again. Another trick is to reset the network settings. To do so, open the Settings app on your device, and then you have to tap on the General option. After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then you have to tap on Reset, and then you have to tap on Reset Network Settings option and confirm it. This will clear any network glitches that might be preventing the backup. And finally, I will recommend you to ensure that WhatsApp is updated on your device. To do so, launch the App Store, and then you have to tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you have to find WhatsApp, and then you have to tap on the Update button located right next to it, and then you have to update the app as usual, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily fix WhatsApp not backing up to iCloud on iPhone. Hopefully you have gotten a better of the problem, and now the WhatsApp has started to back up to iCloud without any hassle at all. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Now I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.